As someone who believes we are always growing and learning, I tend to think my latest impact is always the greatest. 2 weeks ago, I worked with an advisee I've been teaching for 3 years. He's the class clown, the most likely to be in bed during online classes, and an amazing dancer who cares for his disabled twin brother. He's also a young man with strong opinions that no one should be telling anyone what to do. Without being able to articulate it, he shows this deep understanding for human capacity. It's one of the things I just love about him. Last February, I sat with him and a group of students as he talked about the fact that he will not be going to college. He also talked about the fact that he wants to be an author. Over the past few months, I've been able to help him understand that applying to college doesn't have to be about attending college. It's about opportunity, and that I want him to graduate high school with as many opportunities as possible. So 2 weeks ago on Colorado Free Application Day, he didn't just to apply to college, he applied to 6 of them. He beamed with pride when he told me that, and I feel really proud to have guided him to that choice.